The plane crash.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. People, you can just insert a picture for them, please.
Yeah, them are gonna see it. People are not gonna see it on the screen right now.
Like, that is not a plane crash.
Yeah, yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So people, this is a new settings that I try do. Well, me not try do it, you know, me I do it. I'm there here with the lovely Torian, right?
Hey, I'm Tori. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at I am Tori. That's I space AM space TOHRII.
Yeah, you can just look in the description if you don't get what she just said a while ago. Or look on your screen, you will see it. So this is gonna be Chaddy Murray podcast. Me still not really figure out a name for it right now. But for now, we just call it the podcast, where we talk about topical issue, you know, give my views, my insights on it, plus Tori insights on it as well. Me never necessarily want to do that show here me alone, so that's why I circle for Tori, and she not the first time I found on the Chaddy Murray TV neither. You see me? So she forward already, so we are gonna do it now and kick it off. Right? You have anything else you want to say? As in introduce yourself, big ups, anything?
No, not really. Follow me on Instagram _I am TOHRII _. That's all.
Alright, follow her on Instagram. Oh, the mic is so hot. I wrong mic, me turn up.
The plane crash.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. People, you can just insert a picture for them, please.
Yeah, them are gonna see it. People are not gonna see it on the screen right
Like,
now.
that is not a plane crash. The plane landed. That pilot is a pilot. I applaud you.
So
You land the plane, sir.
So why you
never
think
crash.
him land the plane?
Them up to something illegal.
Yeah, but at the
Either
end of the day,
gun,
alright, you're not the
drugs, I
first
don't
person
know.
here say them land the plane. But at the
It
end
was
of the day, if
perfectly
the plane
landed.
land, let's say them do it for the plane for land for true.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And them take off where them a take off and for cut back. Oh, the plane would rise up back. That plane cannot take off my water.
Mm-mm.
So what really go on is it that them a fly and probably them fly too shallow?
Me hear in the video like somebody that say the plane circle,
Mm-hmm.
but then the next man a correct him and I said no, the plane a circle. It a come from the direction there. So I really don't know.
Why I don't know,
I
but
really don't know. But them up to something.
when me know
The
still
feet of them up to something.
some cocoa involved.
Some mix up.
So
Some mix up.
cocoa, some something involved.
Something.
You see
Something
me?
in a something like my granny would dance.
But then at the end of the day, you know, me no like how the residents them run out.
Why? No.
The residents them run out. I mean the plane could have explode.
Mm-hmm. Them brave bad. Them brave bad. It's just like you
And
hear
then-
gunshot and you run towards the gunshot. Them brave.
Jamaican people them just different and them start
different.
video it and people you know I go see the video up on the screen right now. Them a video it and them a do a bag of things where
Things that me would do.
no in the
Me
sense
me
of
go
a
stay
person who do
far
that,
and
me
them
nah
a
say-
run.
you know I said them no sensible still.
Mercy.
But come on, put fun and joke aside. A plane land, right? A plane land
Crash.
and you are running
Allegedly.
crash allegedly and you are running towards that plane and when you see say nobody in the plane you start scrape. You see a man with all a plane door. What you
so
gonna do
them
with
a
a plane
sell.
door? Who are gonna buy a plane door?
Jamaicans different for true.
And this is not foreign anyway you can put it on eBay for sale.
Exactly.
Like when the
So
brother
them a
run
do.
in the White House the other
And-
day.
I take the chair. I want
and
chair.
some ornament and then they put
Something
it
in
up
the
on
something in
eBay
the
for
White
sale.
House, yeah. And people are not easy.
So what are you going to do with
souvenir. Them basically scrap the plane.
Yeah, and a
So then
tamper.
gonna sell.
So right now, even if police couldn't try put in the bits and pieces of what really go on, them
Me hear
tamper
say
with all of the
police.
evidence.
Yeah, so the video when them like him inside I will touch up some like
The man
why
never
you
press
want
everything.
the man them press everything. Why you want your fingerprint all over?
Everything the man impress.
Not that they wouldn't have touch it. Like why? I
Everything.
mean here say it's not police involved. Me not sure still. Let me say some aviation and JDF.
But
in
then
charge.
again, too, police, I'm probably glad say
Police
them
maybe get
running,
them
you know,
cut.
Cause
Them police, yeah, them maybe get them cut out tight.
you know that Rocky Point is
Clarendon.
a place where the drugs for gun something.
Yeah.
You know?
I really don't know which
One
one,
at
but
a time, I
something
hear
and
say
something.
meat for gun. Me never know so we had to that exchange, you know.
Meat?
Yeah.
Okay.
So sell a pound of chicken. I get a AK.
No, Jamaica need a YouTube channel because them people are funny bad.
People me don't know how the meat for gun something go, but me hear about it. You see me? Like, yeah, a man have 2 goat and say yeah, you have 2 goat and we say me have a AK. So now we are giving away
What
food for violence.
Oh, okay. That's why alright. It all adds up.
Me don't know if it makes sense.
It add up in the fact that the violence, crime increase. Look what happened last night.
Oh, what happened last night? Oh, the madman
The madman,
scenario.
yeah. Why?
Me don't know. Police them say.
Too much light-headed people have gun. You have to have gun and a bad no say you have gun. Yeah.
Say have gun.
Chaddy, don't mix me up.
Me just
Don't
ask.
mix me. No, but for true, that like the young boy here, not even young, cause enough big people do it too. Like then we have them gun and them just some people like you know people have them shirt covered shirt cover the gun. No, for them shirt for inside them pants. I mean know enough people will use them shirt cover them gun. Them just one people know so them have them license firearm. Some of them illegal still.
But sometimes still, me don't know. If me have a gun, if
You don't know so me have a gun until somebody come for me and me defend myself. I hear somebody do something.
sometimes it
But
could
if
finna
me
give
have a
someone
gun.
with some gun still, you know.
No, so enough of them people that deserve
if
gun.
me have a gun, if I may say if there's so much time, I say if probably if I'm on a bad drive, me certain way me pop.
You see? Light-headed. Your head light. You don't deserve a gun. You don't deserve one. You don't
If
deserve a gun for true.
that are just
That's one stupid scenario.
a if argument. See that one on the news there. Four homeless men kill.
I never 6 me say last night.
So next two body there.
And that me one that 6 me say on Glean on my Instagram.
A 6 clean up post?
Yeah, 6.
Oh, a 6 for true, you know. 4 homeless man kill.
One that, you know the road
and
close
2
to
injured.
KPH?
Yeah.
It look like they don't.
It look like a some of this. I don't know how it happened.
It
Just
look
know say I
close
don't
right
think
off
so, but
Jubilee
it
there
look like,
so. It look you know
like
so on
KPH,
quarters the clear nearby.
Mm-hmm.
It look like on somewhere after this, I know way.
Quarters?
Yeah,
That's all.
yeah,
I don't really. You look like you frequent that area. So
yeah.
you're familiar with the area.
A little.
Okay. Most
Yes.
stay, you know? Up on the half a tree side. Half a tree.
Down the road.
Anyway, still, people, I think we are going to wrap it up right now like a gift and just give it to you. You see me? So, I want you to tell me in the comment section on like the whole settings and we are going to try to do this every week. So, look out for your video. And if we shot today, you can drop it on Tuesday. So, look out for your video every Tuesday. And we just talk about, you know, random topics.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily a vlog type settings that I normally do. It's more of a podcast, so I just forward and talk my mind with the wonderful Torian. Every time I want to call her Tori Lane, you know.
My name
So I
Tori.
call her off camera, which she
My
not
name
like it.
Tori. Yeah.
You see me? But Torian. So you can go follow her. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you watch my Instagram. I'm going to tag her in the post. You know, so you can follow me. Like, you're supposed to follow me for watch this. If you don't follow me and you don't watch this, shame on you! Anyway, still, follow me. Check me out. Check the merch out. I have a merch store. So check it out on teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurrayTV. So that's teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurrayTV. Alright? Check out the merch if you want to support the channel further on. Zin? Alright. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out. A one way. Any other way? The wrong way. You're gone. See you.
Oh, that rain? Mercy.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!